The next area that we will cover is View. From the Views section of Operations, you can configure various views to display IP cameras within the NLSS web interface on a local workstation. Or, you can push video streams to one or more NLSS HD media decoders installed in your system, and thereby display the view on the HD monitors attached to those decoders. The NLSS gateway has the flexibility to manage multiple views using various combinations of video streams. There is no limit to the number of views that can be created for displaying locally on the PC or via decoders. We will select an existing view from the list to take a closer look at the interface and components before we move on to an example of how to create a new view. Once a view is selected, the view is displayed with the following parameters. The current view name is listed along the top left of the view window and is defined by the operator. Also along the top of the view window are your view layouts. There are multiple layouts available, including a 1x1, 2x1 horizontal, 1x2 vertical, 2x2, 3x3, 1x4 horizontal and finally, a 2x4 horizontal. Continuing across the top of the view display, you have the ability to edit the name of this view, again, giving it any name that you wish. Just to the right of the view name editing field, you will find the Save and Delete buttons for updating or removing the selected view. Finally, there is a full screen button that allows you to display the currently selected view in full screen mode within your browser, thereby removing all of the next level menus from the screen. Click on the back arrow to return to the Views interface. You can also change the cameras that make up the selected view by clicking on one of the panes in the view. Select the desired camera from the list that you want to add to the current view. For systems that have a large number of cameras attached to the gateway, you can use the filters to narrow the list of cameras down. Search for the camera by name, or page through the cameras to find the camera. Aside from adding cameras to existing views, you can also create new views to the system by clicking on the plus sign to the left of Views in the Operations list. When creating a new view, the first step is to select the desired video layout. The default is a 1x1, single view, with the Next Level logo. To change the layout, you simply select the preferred layout from the available views along the top of the view configuration screen. For this example, we will select a 2x2 view. The next step in creating a view is to add cameras to the view. Start by selecting one of the panes in the view to place a camera. Choose a camera from the camera list to populate the pane. Follow the same process of choosing a pane from the view and selecting a camera until all panes are populated. When completed, provide a name for this view. And then save the view. Once saved, the view will be added to the list of views located in the Operations menu, and can now be viewed full screen, or via the Operations Decoders menu, where it can be pushed to any decoders that have been configured. Finally, to delete a view, select the view to be deleted from the view list. Then click on the trash can in the upper right of the screen to delete the selected view from the system. Once a few views are created, we can take these views and put them together to create a sequence. This concludes the Views tutorial. Please return to the Operations playlist to begin the review of sequences.